suggested.
They look at the baby again. She does have a red neck. Mr. Gooney said. She does not, said Mrs. Gooney. Green. It's pink. They turned the pages some more. Suddenly, they both said, "Oh!" Very carefully, they looked at the photograph. Then, very carefully, they looked at the baby. "Big feet," Mr. Gooney said, "just like our babies." "A head that bobs around," Mrs. Gooney said, "just like our babies." That's the one, they agreed.
Yeah, finish that.
They read the label under the photograph.
Layson albatross.
Albatross.
Albatross. The label said. I don't think
That's a good name.
Layson
Albatross.
Gooney is a very pretty name for the baby girl. Mrs. Gooney said sadly, "It sounds too
Sophisticated.
and it's pretty
Scientific.
Sound too scientific, isn't that what she said? Okay.
I agree. Mr. Gooney said, "But look at the small print." Together, Mr. and Mrs. Gooney read the words in the small print, often called Gooney Bird. "Gooney Bird Gooney," they said. I like the sound of it," Mr. Gooney said, "and it has a G and a B." "It does indeed," said Mr. Gooney. So they decided to name their new baby girl Gooney Bird Gooney.